Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan salad dressing at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need a creamy base, an acid, a healthy fat, and various seasonings. Think about using soaked cashews or silken tofu for richness. Lemon juice or apple cider vinegar provides tang, while olive oil or tahini adds body. Fresh herbs and spices will elevate your creation. This simple approach ensures delicious, homemade dressings every time. For creamy vegan dressings, you have several excellent choices. Soaked cashews, blended until smooth, create a wonderfully rich and decadent base. Silken tofu offers a lighter, yet still creamy, option that is also high in protein. Another fantastic choice is ripe avocado, which lends a beautiful green color and natural creaminess. Remember to blend all your ingredients thoroughly, ensuring a perfectly smooth and emulsified dressing every time. If you prefer a lighter option, homemade vegan vinaigrettes are incredibly simple. A good starting point is combining 3 parts oil with 1 part vinegar. To help emulsify and add a little zing, whisk in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard or a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. Feel free to experiment with various vinegars, such as balsamic, red wine, or apple cider. Fresh herbs like dill, parsley, or chives will brighten any vinaigrette. To elevate your vegan dressings, consider adding flavor boosters. Nutritional yeast is excellent for a cheesy, umami flavor, while garlic and onion powder provide savory depth. A pinch of smoked paprika can add warmth. Once prepared, store your homemade dressings in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Most will keep fresh for about 3 to 5 days. Always taste and adjust seasonings just before serving to ensure perfect flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.